What's up everybody? Welcome back to another short one, a quick one. Sorry it's kind of dark right now in my house, but got some parts that just came in. So, gonna show you what's up with that. So as you can see, came in this big ass box right here. All the marshmallows. This is the cover. SplitFire High Performance Automotive Products Spool. This is the Coilpack that I ordered. So I told them I already have this system set up in the car from the previous owner. I just needed the packs itself, you know, these little coils. But they sent me all the wiring and stuff for it too, which is a cool thing, I guess. But they asked me if I wanted it in the note section, and I said no, just this. But you know, I guess I got charged for the whole kit, but at least it came in like 2 days since I ordered it. You know, that's a plus. Alright, so I'm gonna go get this done real quick, and I think I'm meeting up with the boys after that. Got the coil pack, got the hardware, got the tools, and now we start the adventure. Should be easy, should just be a quick swap, but I don't know.
I don't know, I don't think I could know.
We'll see. You'll see. Alright, so these are what I'm taking out. I think it's a 10 mil to get all the screws off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are all the wiring that I was supposed to be putting in. It's all the way back there, the blue one. But I think since it's the same system, I just gotta switch these out. 10 mil. Now to unclip these things. Brought a fucking flathead. First one out. Should just go right back in for the next one. On to the second. I'm just gonna use the same hardware, it doesn't look that old. Second one in, working on the third. How yucky the old ones are. Okay, all 4 new coils in. Now I just gotta put the wiring harness. Tug check that beach. All in. Hopefully this thing starts up. Yeah, baby. And she's good. Alright, she starts up. Seems a little more alive. Again, I just needed the coil pack, so if anybody that has the same SplitFire system as me wants the wiring harness or wants to buy the harness to get the system, hit me up, give it to you for cheap. Got the whole setup. Let me know in the DMs. But right now, we're gonna go meet up with the boys on the east. We're gonna go strip a car. Alright, as you can see, the founder is here. We're gonna go to the east side. I'm gonna take my little baby, see if it can handle the drive. We're gonna go strip a car, see if the car parts fit on this. Don't tell on us. Well, how you think the weather is on the east right now?
Yeah, crap, it's always
I'll follow you. Oh no, you follow me in case I break down. Ready? Not too shabby. Alright guys, we just pulled up to Logan's house on the east side of Oahu. It's a bloody mess, man. Storming out here. I'm gonna hide in here while they go fucking strip the car. So we're here at Logan's house. We're gonna go strip his old Versa that's been sitting on the street for a while. How long has your car been sitting on the street?
Since I bought the truck, so 5-6 months.
And we're gonna go grab his parts from that old Versa, throw it on his car. Yay! No more fucked up fenders.
Oh yeah.
Savage. Look at this cover girl all wet. It's so wet. Woo! Dude, I'm almost his height. Oh, flex. Oh, man, these guys left me behind. I feel like I've seen that truck before. It's like a straight up RC fucking Rambler. Here we are. Logan's old whip before he got his X-Runner. Man, good times in this car. Wow, guys, just hold up the traffic, eh? Man, remember all the mountains we drifted in that car? Let it charge. It almost turned. And it's on. So for all you guys that own a Versa, you don't have to sell your car to go get a fancy one. You can just turn it into this. That's what his car used to look like. That's what it looks like now. Versa gang. Man, the come up. Went from driving a Versa to an X-Runner. Basically a Prius to a Supra. Nah. Go ahead. See you drag it down the stairs. You're gonna break it. Oh. We're gonna take off hood and then fenders and then ABS wires. I loosened up my side. He's taking off his side. Should be it, right?
Yep.
Turn this into a massive rear wing.
Going drag racing with this.
Talk about downforce.
9-second car here.
Downforce, Bob.
8-second car, more like it. 7 seconds. Oh.
13. I bent it. Hey, don't tell Micah. Don't tell Micah I bent that.
Bent what, that? Good boy. Oh, yeah.
Use knife after we weld. That's right. That is a $10 knife. If you guys remember, that's what we used to make his front lip.
Yeah, front lip. Is it? Yep.
Yeah. Use the knife instead of scissors and shit to cut the.
And then it went too slow, so you could never use it.
And then it went. So we're just trying to get the fenders right now. And in order to do that, we have to remove the wheel well. We have to remove the headlights. We have to remove the bumper. Just for this.
Wow, and you damaged it.
So we got the ABS, hood, passenger fender, working on the driver's side, and I think that's it, right? Are you tightening it?
You're doing nothing, just the opposite way, nothing. I'm just doing this. Does not.
Come on, guy. The whole car looks like it's gonna fall apart.
Probably will.
One more bolt over there.
No, it's blue.
I don't think we took out the second one, you know, on the bottom.
Oh, on that door?
Yeah. Alright, took off everything he needs. Any of your other Versa owners want some more parts, hit up Logan. It'll be here for a couple more days. We're gonna go grind some Mexican foods. So, should we tell them what kind of cars you're getting?
Nah, I think if they follow my Insta, they know what they know what I'm getting.
Well, if you want a sneak peek of the cars that he's getting, and when. Follow his Instagram. Logan, what are you getting?
Nothing.
Work hours. You're waiting 6 years.
On my car. It'd be worth it.
I'll probably be done with my build by then because it's gonna be a slow one.
I'll give it 10 years.
Fuck. Bango enchilada for the win. What is that one? Hot dog? Right when we started leaving, it gets packed in there. Chile Relleno, Taco Tuesdays. I wonder if Micah knows that we left him and that he has to pay for our food.
He knows.
Hey, did you pay for our food? This guy just gave her $100 tip,
No, I give her like 20 bucks.
and he gave her 10, so 30.
Not bad.
Not bad. Alright, that was it for today. It was a quick one. He's probably going to be working on his car, throwing those parts on at some point. Maybe he'll come over because I got to do some stuff on my car. Logan's still waiting. So a while back, he and I tried rolling his fenders.
I mean, it worked.
We did it.
We did it.
It just looks kind of jank. But now we're going to have it back to regular instead of rolled out. And we're going to check the fitment on that next time. So other than that, we have the X-Runner Cruise. Logan's going to be excited for that one.
Am I?
You remember the last one, right?
He's the only X-Runner in our group now. No,
Yeah.
Colin.
We have
Oh,
a
yeah,
couple other
Colin.
X-Runner guys.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, Troy had to get rid of his X-Runner from the last vlog. We thought it was a drive shaft problem, but he decided to go a different route and get a different car or truck. Brand new.
truck. And it's the only American truck.
It is the only American.
It's the only American truck in our group.
Yep,
Whether it be a Ford or a Chevy, you guys will never know until it's revealed.
yep. We'll show you guys that one soon.
Alright, so
Yeah.
X-Runner meet, the Lady Day at Detail Garage if you guys want to be there.
Yeah, ladies driven day.
We might make it out just to film a little bit, but we'll mostly be at the X-Runner Cruise.
Yep.
There's one more, yeah, on that day. I'm not too sure. But besides that, the following week, I believe, there's going to be another meetup at Almoana. Cars and Chill is at night, actually.
Yep, that's gonna be a sick one.
Yep. So stay tuned for all of this, you know.
Thanks for hanging out with us again.
Bye.
See you guys later.
Shoots.